The connections that we have with our neighborhoods and local communities has changed during the pandemic. A recent survey by Nextdoor revealed that 71% of Canadians reported a renewed appreciation for their neighborhoods compared to before the COVID-19 pandemic. I am one of those Canadians. You see, something happened in my community that brought all of my neighbors together. My name is Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, and this is my Love Your Neighborhood story. The day was June 23rd, 2020. I was filming a video for my YouTube channel on making a coffee table when suddenly I heard a huge explosion. It's one of those sounds where you know something serious has happened. So I ran out of the street and this is what I saw.
My next door neighbor's house is on fire. Heard a huge bang. I was in the backyard. Looked over, and now it's on fire. I live right there. Holy cow, they gotta get this off. They gotta.
It was like a scene straight out of a Hollywood movie.
Police, firefighters, everyone's trying to contain this. This is scary. I live right next door. I'm right here.
It was a really tough sight for everyone to see because at the time, we didn't know if anybody was inside the house. Now, thankfully, everyone got out safely, but the house was completely destroyed and slated for demolition. It left such a bad memory for everyone in my neighborhood, and I felt like I needed to do something to put closure to that experience. It was then that I decided that I would build a little community vegetable garden on the city boulevard between the two properties. The only problem was I needed some material. And then a couple of months later, I had what you could best call a eureka moment of inspiration.
This is where the house burnt down, and I was walking by the other day and I had a great idea because there's just this huge rubble of these concrete blocks. And so I had a great idea. I'm gonna take these concrete blocks, I'm gonna put them in my wheelbarrow, bring them over here, and build basically a raised garden bed.
To be honest, I didn't really have a design in mind. I just kept laying down bricks, but eventually a design was coming together. I also built 2 raised garden beds from shipping pallets and placed them in the center of the boulevard. I also built this large trellis out of some old lumber and screwed it on to the landscaping tiles that I had placed. So in early spring, I grew a bunch of vegetables from seed inside my hobby greenhouse to get a head start. I then transplanted everything into the community garden. Here I grew lettuce, tomatoes, peas, beans, kale, and spinach. Even in early fall, the community garden is thriving and there is a lot of free food for anybody in the community to take. After all that we went through, I'm just so happy that everyone in my neighborhood has embraced this little free community vegetable garden. Tell us why you love your neighborhood. Using the hashtag #LoveYourNeighborhood, share a post about a neighbor or local business that is making a difference for a chance to win $1,000 towards a local charity. I'm Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, and this is my Love Your Neighborhood story for Nextdoor.